So welcome back to my YouTube channel. So on today's video I just want to film my go-to natural makeup routine. Natural look, nothing dramatic, no lashes, no nothing, because sometimes I feel like on me they just don't look great, but that's just and at the same time I don't wear lashes on every day anyway. So yeah, I'll be showing you my everyday makeup look. So let's get started. I've already primed my face using the Milk Hydro Grip primer, the best primer anyway, and I'll be using my NARS matte because I feel very oily, so I'll be using my NARS because this is good for oily skin, so this is good. I'm putting some at the back of my hand, just like that. I'll just apply. So I'll put this one to see how far. Dirty sponge. So I'll just mix everything. Perfect. Yeah, I love it. And then now I'm just going to just brighten my under eye, not a lot, not a lot at all, just brighten with a bright concealer. I don't know, for some reason I like to use my just a bit over there. I'm using the Fenty Beauty concealer. I'll just use the same. Just gonna put this down. And then I'll also go in with my LA Pro Girl concealer, just a bit. A bit more. Sorry, I'm just trying to. Only thing I'm going to do next, well, or besides my eyebrows, is just bronze. That's all I'll be doing today. I'll just be bronzing. This bronzer is bomb. This Charlotte Tilbury bronzer is bomb. I'm just gonna clean my eyebrows using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. Okay, so I've done my eyebrows. So now, because I'm not wearing anything, it's just minimal look, I'll just go back with my, I'll check my fluffy brush here, and then just use it on my eyes. That's it. And then I'll just bring it down here like that. And then I bring it down here like that. Okay, can you see that bronzer is doing wonders? Shade here on my eyelids. And then I go onto this side. guys see that? It's amazing. Love it. And then I go back with my brush that I had bronzer on, and then I just buff it to make sure that it's all in there. Okay, and then so for my eyelashes I'll be using this Rimmel, my go-to. I've got probably 4 of these. If you can open. See this side and see this side. Because I promise you, there's no way you're gonna wear eyelashes every day. No way. Especially right now, I'm running late. Okay, my eyelashes are, my mascara is on. I look fantastic. Very minimal. And then now the eyeliner. I need to buy the bottom lash mascara. I saw a good one at Boots, so I'm going to get that. There you go. I'm just doing a nude lip. This is finished now. It's Rimmel London. And Matic lipstick. I just want to make it gloss. Very basic. So that's me done. I did my braid by myself. I deleted the footage, but so what do you guys think? And now I'm just going to apply my spray from NYX, and I'm ready. Okay, so what do you guys think? Do you like? Just very minimal, very office appropriate, or very everyday appropriate. This is my I like it. This is what I do every day. Anyway, thank you so much guys for watching, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, and yeah, share the video, comment down below, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much guys. Bye.